Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling essentials and claiming a spot. Grab a target dummy and basic building blocks, then clear a flat 10+ tile area with a background wall so mobs won't interfere. Once done, make a small raised platform and place the dummy where line of sight is unobstructed. Prepare the weapon you want to test, relevant ammo, and a stopwatch or in-game timer. Make sure to position yourself consistently. Consistent distance and height ensure repeatable results and accurate comparisons. Now you refine the setup to get reliable numbers and visuals. Place colored blocks to mark exact player and dummy positions, then stand on the mark and lock your camera if needed. Consistency matters. Remove any movement or speed modifiers so your inputs are identical between runs. Conduct short practice bursts of 10 attacks to warm up and confirm aim. After that, run full trials, recording DPS, projectile spread, and hit patterns. This helps you know how weapons behave and why differences happen. Finish by measuring and refining your results. Perform 3 full trials and average the damage over time to calculate DPS. That gives a reliable metric. Once you have baseline numbers, change one variable at a time, buffs, accessories, elevation, to see cause and effect and document the differences. If results fluctuate unexpectedly, inspect hit registration, confirm no obstacles block line of sight, and test in single player to rule out server lag. These steps close the loop, so your training dummy tests are repeatable and useful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.